with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, you gotta be careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Hello there, Paris. Blessed day to you. It is another day, in fact. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 6:03 a.m.
6:03 a.m. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. You know, real Jamaica, when you come out of your house, you come out, well, I don't know about nobody else. Town or country, you come out, they like open the window, them out the door that. I'm never turned on the outside light last night. Blessed morning to you. It's a beautiful day. Nobody know wake up in this house. I don't know what's about me. I've been up from long time, maybe after 12, but I was doing some little things otherwise. Yeah. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful morning. How are you? Hope when you're ready, when you get to watch this video, everything may be good, everything may be okay, in the best of health, and hope that everything is going good with you and the family. Make sure say your prayer before you come out. I'm going to open the back door so let me get some fresh air. This is my time. Then my time here for me. Energy level peak. You see me? This time of the morning, that's when Debbie's energy level from now till about 11:30, 12. After that, nobody with me. So I am here and I'm going to make a good juice. Me did have some cucumber. I asked for before cucumber. I said some cucumber. I didn't realize she gave me all of them. So I want a little juice. So I have one pine here or something. So but I just want to say thank you for loving. Thanks for supporting. I have one pine. Never tell you something. I have coconut here. I'm going to make some coconut milk. The one I can just use in my tea. Just like that. So I have some pineapple here. I have spoke to buy. She buy one just the same size. I buy Jerry this. I beg Jerry to buy this in go country than daddy yesterday. So this is half. Well, a quarter because half of it wasn't good. And it's a coincidence. I can't wait till Cobb come out for sure. Because she not come out for now. Same way I did see a little squeeze right here. So another one here. So when I wash it and cut it open, I realize say half of it not good. So look like I see everything again. But you know what go on? It is what it is. You know, so me I tell you no. It is what it is. So I go take off the egg. I don't want me not plant this. Now time to do it. Oh, I go on here. So the other night did better than this one. So knife is better nice. But you look like sitting around with the pine on me and weak. Lord. Jesus. Mighty God. What the hell is it? See that? Go here. When me I tell him the sound of a prayer and I'm going to think a joke. See there? He couldn't cut in a car. Girl don't know what these are. What are these? I don't know. Well, I can't see them. I don't know. Them could have cut. Knife couldn't go through it. Hope them not thief people pine. Holy Spirit, may I use it for make my juice, put with my green juice, you know. I may ask if you cover it, that if there is anything in it, you may protect my body from it. Same way, so it's same size. I don't know why Jerry buy this, the very same size. When I cut down half of the bottom part, I could see how it goes. So any you, come in and peel it, you know. The time is cool. Yeah, it's really cool. I make some something the juice. Yes, so let me wash it now with little. Yeah, I don't wash it with liquid soap. I don't really matter to me, you know. I do it, but sometimes I have like a baking soda. I wash it. And these days, right now to me, certain things in it make no difference. You know what I say? I want to see what time of day or what time of clock in our life now. Certain things don't make no difference. Yeah? That me I tell you, everybody asleep. Now they room. So I really disturb nobody. School starts again for Cobb. 4 pieces. I'll cut this now. I don't know why this is one cup so. I have to go higher power saw. This one is kind. So it's like from yesterday, the one was like from right from up here so, and the whole in the middle. This one I just right here. So remember me tell you now, pray all over one not eat. Pray over it. Pray over one not put it on the stomach, one not put it on the body. You hear me tell you now? I mean the times I forget a sugar loaf. But at this me see coming. I them pour water and the purpose, you know. So coincidental that are the same looking for it. I'll make some pineapple. But me I put up that piece, the rest here. I may have some color look Kobe. Now I drink the pear color. She don't love it like that. Me drink the pear color look. I mean I mind, not no problem. So yesterday we made pineapple and pineapple, cucumber and ginger. Right here so sour. Can I tell you now? You have to be so careful. Because the whole heap of fertilizer them are putting in sitting them. And then done them I tell people about organic. Only can you know if you're organic or when you plant your yard. I mean I know sometimes all kind of pests. And I miss that sow some pepper and then put some pepper. I tell him to use the I tell you know name and the on the land table. Remember I tell you no pray. Mix the dish soap and the whatever and something and mix it and it always work with anything. When him pray upon it this time I know the white thing then come. Hello, how they do? Every year it works and works. So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna freeze this so I get some cucumber later or some maybe celery or something. Remember I put some celery with this. I put some celery with this. I don't know when I go get it, but it can do for another time. So now I put some ginger with this here now. I have some ginger here. If I wash it, if I get it, I not wash it. So nice ginger this. So I go wash off a piece and put in the pan and blend it up. So I soon then. See? I try to get her for drink her green juice. Not necessarily green. But like, you know, like a cucumber, like a celery, and like a something, like a by little a day. Some days we take beets, yeah, but you know, we not take it every day, because you have to know what you do. You know, just to make sure so your body should get in the right nutrients and so in our body. Come on, tell you something. I'm not take them vitamins in me. From me know myself, me never take them. So, from me a young girl, I mean always have a heavy flow. I say heavy, I mean heavy. Heavy flow. And I try to take them vitamins something and more than one time. It may work out for me. When I constipate me, so I just stick to the juice. But I was juicing at one point, you know, about 2 years now every morning almost. You know, juicing take enough, but it doesn't matter for your own good and for your body. But when you have juice, you have to like go market and buy a good amount of fruits cut up, you know. And me like cut ups and freeze, because I like make the juice like every morning. Prefer to make it every morning. Like I see we did make yesterday and it done. But you did have the color the leaf back. I never did have the color yesterday. I think I had the color look. About 2-3 days ago I had the color look, but me I try now to find the something there. So I kind of mix around man. But you know the juice where you get the real natural juice, that more effective, but you have to have lots of fruits. Alright, you know. That now happen. You don't know how it go. When I see fruits enough, I can go country and see certain things, guava, apple, I'm good with them there. Yeah, the other day we make some nice guava and some stuff. But so I put this in it, it's like all color look in there. The color look kind of little hard to digest for me. So when I put this in there, I'm going to put a good amount of ginger. Ginger is supposed to kick in it. So. But good, she will put a honey in a fair way to come. That's fine. I'm try to make it. So, I'm not just drink this down one time. As I go, I drink a little 1 or 2 mouthful. Cheers. God, this is good. I'm telling you, ginger kick. So this, maybe about 6:30, something to 7 now. May go and panka with this till about 8 o'clock. Yeah, I'm not drinking it down. It tastes good. Tastes good, yeah? Good. Nice. The sour orange bring up the taste. Oh God, no, that does but me now want to drink it down. So in between, me have some water. What I'm gonna be doing now, I want to make, I feel like I want to drink a little cup of coffee. Breakfast, I'm not keen on a breakfast in the morning, yeah. I see them do bull beef and rice last night late. You know the bull beef kaya them. The rice not left, because I tell them to cut down on the rice, because I don't have nothing for waste. Because I live a foreign where I can't cook well for food and I dash and that I see them I do. So, me and them are going to have something in the house for the wasting of food, wasting and cook too much rice and something. So, they might attack that I have it with bread. It look like bread up there. So, maybe for breakfast, I don't know what I go eat, but I think I have crackers, I might either boil or maybe scramble 2 eggs. Basically, that I eat. I try to go lower them days, yeah. And so, the whole pan yamming and so. Early morning eating and so. Yesterday was a good day. I did a lot of laundry. I have a little left back. When I started to show Jeremiah come out and I go laundry. So, pardon, this is my fast. I break my fast. So look here. I go look what my coconut. So I see me in the next clip. I go have my coconut milk ready. That coconut milk is the type of coconut milk that I need for just tea. So I go do the processing of it. Mama telling them I do it for Patreon. So if you don't want to see that, you can check out my Patreon. But otherwise, I don't put it up on YouTube now. Because what I do for Patreon, just no one them I just do 1 or 2 or something. I make a promise certain things I just now, you know. So I'm gonna process that coconut milk now. Make it have it put in the fridge. Cobb likes it, she like it with coffee. So me I try stay away. The box milk I do not, but the condensed milk, me and it no friends. So look here, I want to see me next. That me I go do. Just showing you some little things that me I do today. Dinner, I'm not so sure about no dinner. I don't know if nobody want dinner. I'm not even sure if them care for no dinner and them look weird about whatever. So we're just trying. I just start my new year. Yes, I'm do a lot of laundry yesterday. I just have one little have a piece of good for the week, for the New Year week. So kind of get back on track now, giving thanks. And so I have one little load left. Maybe 2 I put it in. But I know Jerry come out and want to do it and I don't want to full up the line then. So look here, Lord, I'm see it is. So when things get good at the market and I see nice, you know. I go country and I think at apple time. The last time I got the apple did that blossom. So I'm gonna find out for and show if apple. Can go there and get some apple. I know guava is there. I don't know what else that I may can get some star fruit. And I go start use back my juicer. Because when you have, as I tell you, when you have 2 little pieces of something like this, that makes no sense. I'm joking business. And you know, juice are the natural juice, which is very good. It's better, it's healthier, it's more stronger. Yeah. But we have to go and do a little thing with the water added to it. But my juicer over there, where there? Our party there. I never know. Yeah, see it over there. So I put in here too. And I yonder there. See it there? You know, see me carrying here. I show me serious, man. I'm not joking. See it right there, so I'm going to start get back into juicing. It's challenging and disgusting in about next clip. This is so beautiful. I'll catch you there. Okay, now party. Same video, different clothes. Next clip. I'm eating. Yeah. So I'm going to eat here. I'm eating this will be lunch and probably dinner. I'm not taking nothing more. Everybody have them different something. Yeah. I've just made this for the cooking channel. So I don't know which one of them you will see first. More than likely the cooking one. I don't know. I'm going to drink sorrel. Sorrel make from Christmas Eve. I have one big something. I made 2 big stuffed things. One was finished. But I trick them, you know. I have that big one I left back. Bigger. And it's not sweet. So I drink outside first. If I need sweeten it to that done, so I feed my face. I'm gonna have this in 2 though. No rum night, but wine. Yeah, I'm never put no rum. And normally sweetening. It is that done. So. Last time, I remember I first eat from man and Monday have my green juice. I was hungry to you see. I was start what my bed to do for the and it tastes so good. But you see, it's a stew with turkey sausage and all that. But you can go check it out on the cooking channel. That is so good, right? I wanted to make some ton caramel, but I never have the
I never have the strength to do it, so I do it with the pasta or I serve it with. I never want a white rice. I do a pasta much better, but I have more problem with the white rice than what I have with the pasta, that I notice. It's spicy too. So that I eat. Partners and can't eat this. I kind of look for something there. And I'm telling them, no food I waste, now cook nothing. I have 2 slices of pork chop leaf and I did a pork chop video. And the other that was seasoned, I never did even cook them. Said I would put it in the oven in the video. I did not, so I have that there. Chicken is there, I'll know. I finish up this, enjoy. And then I catch on the back.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 1:22 p.m.
1:22, Alexa, I say. So here. I did, honestly, in the previous video, I eat something. I have to drink something warm, you know, every day. So, I drink my green juice. But normally when I do green juice, I drink my green juice at one time first. And then I have tea. But I never have no tea. And then I go drink the cereal. And so I went to get a little nap. Come and tell them I wake up from us sitting to 1:30. Somewhere there, near. But I didn't start working same time. So I get 1 cup of tea now. I'm not going to drink no coffee this hour again. I'm going to drink something warm. So, but I forgot to put the coconut milk in it, you know. Because can I tell you? I don't even tidy up over here so yet from I do the cooking video. A real kitchen, and I say a real thing I do, you see it? Work for that station. I'm not trying to come here today, but it's not a lot because it wasn't a lot. That's all I have. And trying to make a cup of warm tea. I'm going to warm up my stomach from morning. So this is what I'm about. After I eat, I did sit down for a good time, and then I went. Kobe's at class. I drop asleep in my work list here, which I so deserve. Because yesterday I did some washing and some purging, you know, you near when you take out some sitting out of the house. So. Yeah, I still have a couple more washing left, but True Jerry did I go wash this morning. I just make him wash. So I'm here, I just have to look at something that feel nice. That's why I should go every day. I don't have a lot to do. So I'm going to catch up myself. So I'm going to make me a little tea right now. Just a little cup of tea. Yeah, just that me I do. I sweep out the kitchen. Stove boil up. Put a little. I don't want no condensed milk. A little coconut milk. Okay. Rolling. Let me look a cup of tea and go sit down back and relax. Oh boy. So, it's sort of chilly everywhere. Yeah, it's sort of chilly. So, I put a little bit of honey in the tea. So, the whole of some place, Georgia, I want to keep warm. Make soup. Okay? Oops, I'm making a mess. Yeah, go on down in night. Go on down in night, no? I make the only something getting it. Oh Lord. Big old me. I'm trying on the come more in there. So that's basically it. And actually I'm gonna end the video here with you. Never intended for it to be long. Yeah. So remember to like, share, subscribe. I'm taking my time getting back there and I see some look like a more not organized scope, so I need to be organized. I'm feeling a little better. My body feel a little better. But let me get more sleep now. Like when I go to bed later now, I'm gonna get more sleep. Me feel better. So I just want to say thanks for watching. Remember to tell me what's your favorite part in this little video. I've been up so long. Come say, Mom, why were you up so early? I said, because I go to bed early last night. I go to bed before 7. And I wake up, I say after 12 or something to 1. I just jump up and then I was up and about. Sat down and was watching a little thing on the television and then I didn't go back to sleep. I don't remember what I do. But by the time I come to the kitchen, I think when I came back down here, it was like after 4 or thereabout. Yeah. Yeah, man. I think when I get back down the kitchen, it was after 4 or thereabout. I never start thing there till when I start the video this morning. But thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. And look here. Remember to make sure that somebody in your household is praying. My body is feeling a little better, but I want a good amount more sleep. So when I'm not dinner for make, I'm not going to be eating for the rest of the evening. I'm going to get my little tea now, green tea. With my little coconut milk in there, and I just have water for the rest of the evening. When Alex says sitting after 1, yeah, I'm not eat nothing. Yeah. So thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. Never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Stay up on top of things. Remember, in this cold weather, make some soup. Remember, forget some honey, some ginger. You should have that already. You should have that. Lemon juice, all of them, something. Some of them in the bottle. They have some in the bottles. They are really, really, really good. So if you can't get the actual lemon, try get the one them in the bottle were good. You should have this around, family. You should have your ginger, your garlic, your lemon, your turmeric, your honey. You feel have them there and make lots and lots of soup, lots and lots of warm liquid. I'll catch you again with another video. Thanks for watching.